In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively integrate an embedded code into your Squarespace website. This is a simple process, but ensuring you do it correctly is essential for your site to function as you expect. Let's take everything step by step, and by the end of this guide, you'll be confidently managing your site's content. First, you'll need to navigate to Squarespace. This is your starting point. Squarespace is well known for its user-friendly interface, which makes it a top choice for individuals looking to create beautifully crafted websites without needing to delve deeply into coding. Once you reach Squarespace, if you haven't logged in already, do so using your credentials. If this is your first encounter, ensure that you have your login details ready. Once logged in, you'll be directed to your dashboard. From your Squarespace dashboard, direct your attention to the Website option. Clicking on this will take you to the interface where you can implement various changes to your website. Now seek out the Edit button. This is a crucial step, as clicking Edit will bring you to the part of Squarespace where you can actually modify the content of your site. Now if you look closely, you'll notice an option to Add Block. This functionality allows you to include different types of content blocks on your page wherever needed, be it text, images, or in our case, embedded content. Once you've located the Add Block feature, go ahead and click on it. This will reveal a menu with a variety of content block options that Squarespace supports. Scroll through these choices until you see Embed. Selecting Embed is key as it enables you to incorporate external content into your website seamlessly. Now comes an essential part, pasting your desired embed code. You might be wondering, what exactly does pasting an embed code entail? Well, let me explain briefly. An embed code is a snippet of HTML that allows you to incorporate pieces of content from other sites into your own. It might be a YouTube video, a social media feed, or even a map. Simply copy this code from its source and paste it into the field provided in the Embed Block section. It's crucial to double-check that you've copied the entire code correctly, as missing even a single character can disrupt functionality. Once you've entered your embed code in the appropriate field, take a moment to preview how it displays on your page. This confirms that everything appears just as you expect it to before finalizing the changes. Squarespace's preview feature is incredibly useful to verify the layout and functionality of any additions you make. Congratulations! Once everything looks good, you're done. Your embedded content should now be part of your website, enhancing both its interactivity and informative quality. Remember, embedding content is an excellent way to make your site more dynamic and engaging for visitors. If you need to make further changes, feel free to revisit the Edit section. Thanks for following along, and happy website building.